Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make shrimp pasta Jamaican style. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, your favorite pasta, and essential Jamaican spices like allspice, thyme, and a touch of Scotch bonnet pepper for that authentic kick. Don't forget fresh bell peppers, onions, and garlic, which form the aromatic base of our delicious sauce. We'll also use creamy coconut milk and a good quality chicken broth. Now let's get cooking. Begin by seasoning your shrimp generously with your Jamaican spices. Sear them quickly in a hot pan with a tablespoon of olive oil, just until they turn pink and opaque, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Be careful not to overcook them. Next, cook your pasta according to the package instructions until it's perfectly al dente. Remember to reserve about 1 cup of that starchy pasta water before you drain it. This will be crucial for our sauce. With the shrimp and pasta ready, it's time to build our incredible sauce. In the same pan, sauté your chopped bell peppers, onions, and garlic until they are fragrant and tender, which typically takes around 5 minutes. Deglaze the pan with a splash of chicken broth, scraping up any brown bits. Then, stir in the creamy coconut milk and your remaining Jamaican seasonings. Let the sauce simmer gently for about 10 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to truly meld together. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add your perfectly cooked shrimp and al dente pasta directly into the simmering sauce. Toss everything gently to ensure the pasta and shrimp are beautifully coated in that rich, flavorful Jamaican sauce. If the sauce seems too thick, add a little of that reserved pasta water to reach your desired consistency. Garnish with fresh chopped parsley or cilantro and serve your delicious Jamaican shrimp pasta immediately. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.